Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to part 2 of my Christmas decorate with me here in Thailand. So I'm going to be doing just minimal Christmas decor and I also have a little getaway to share with you guys at the end. So I hope you enjoy. You guys are going to hear me explain this a lot because I've been getting a lot of questions and a lot of new subscribers. We just moved to Thailand this summer and we were only allowed to bring about 4,000 pounds of household goods. So we ended up selling a lot of our furniture, but we also have a lot of stuff in storage to include all of my holiday decor. So I've been ordering just a few things here and there. The only thing I did bring that was holiday related was my smaller Christmas tree. And this Christmas tree is the one that I would usually put in my dining room, so it is pretty small. Everything you see here is from Amazon with the exception of those 2 gold trees. And as you can see, we're going with traditional colors this year. I feel like we are living in an Airbnb, just like on vacation all the time. It does not feel like Christmas because it's so hot. Even though Thailand does go big during Christmas time, the malls are like over the top Christmas. They're playing Christmas music everywhere. Today we just came back from a Christmas bazaar, like a Christmas market, where I got some new plates and things, and I'll show you guys that in a different video. Since all of my really good ornaments are all in storage, all of my glass ornaments and things that I've collected throughout the years that I really love, this year we just are gonna go basic and pretty simple. Next year I'll probably add to it. I will most likely give my ornaments away after our stay here or either sell them. I will be taking some stuff as far as like holiday decor, but not all of it. Everything is temporary. I just want my house to be more Christmassy than it is this year. You guys saw in part 1, I did the kids' Christmas trees in their rooms, and the most I'm gonna do is a little bit here in the living room and a little bit in the kitchen. I might get a wreath if I find one that I like for the front door, but that's pretty much gonna be it for this year. So like I said earlier, this is the Christmas tree I usually would put in our dining room. I would prefer to have a much larger tree in my living room, but this one will do because the lights work. I had to get rid of my huge tree before we moved because some of the lights weren't working. So I'm just gonna stick with this one for this year. I just feel like having a little bit of fun with Christmas decor this year and just decorations in general. I let the kids pick out the pillow cushions for the living room, so they picked out these red ones, and I actually kind of like it.
It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry...
So this is pretty much all the Christmas decorations I have for this year. All the Christmas stuff you see here I ordered from Amazon this year, so I will have everything linked down below.
Sing a carol and we'll bring it here.
Okay, before we move on, this literally just showed up at my house. Thank you so much to Skims for sponsoring this portion of my video. I love Skims material and I love their pajamas. I've had them in the past. I still have them to this day. These are the holiday collection pajamas. I'm gonna try them on. If you're looking for a really good gift this holiday season, this is a perfect gift. So here's the set that I chose. This is the soft lounge sleep set. These pajamas are super soft and they're very breathable, so you're not sweating and getting hot. I love a good quality pajama set. It just makes me feel so luxurious. Perfect for those nights when you're watching Christmas movies with your family and you still want to wear something to feel and look put together. So if you're looking for a Christmas gift for anybody on your list, definitely check out the holiday shop on skims.com. After you place your order, be sure to let them know I sent you and select YouTube in the survey, and be sure to select my show in the drop-down menu that follows. Moving on to the kitchen, I just have a few things I want to do in here as far as decorating. I have some garland I want to hang over both windows, and I have a little tree that I picked up recently and some fairy lights. So I'm going to put all of that together in a second, but first I'm going to put some dishes away so I can get started. So I knew I was going to want to put some garland over these windows during Christmas time. This window here is so large. I almost kind of want to get an even larger garland for next year so that it can come down on the sides a little bit more and it's a little bit more full, but this will do for now. And they're actually both pre-lit, so I'm going to have to go pick up some batteries. It's going to be so cute at night when the windows are lit up. And I also have some fairy lights and a little Christmas tree that I'm going to put in here as well. The kids are also in the process of making some paper garland to put over the windows, and I also ordered some lights. I'm not sure when they're going to come in. They're really festive, probably something that I normally wouldn't buy, but I just thought these were so fun. Hopefully they come in by the time I put this video up so I can add that footage to this video. I'm going to take this vase that I already had and add these new stems that I picked up from Amazon as well into this one. They're similar to the other stems in my living room and on my kitchen table. They're pretty much all the same, and I just ordered more because this is just the easiest way to decorate for Christmas, because you can put this pretty much anywhere. So if you live in a small apartment or just don't have a lot of storage space, I actually really like these paper Christmas trees to decorate your house with. These are actually Velcro together, so they're so much easier to just fold back down flat when you're done with them, and they just store really easily. The best place you can find these are at Hobby Lobby, and Amazon actually sells them as sets in different sizes and colors. Brandon just got home with some packages that I ordered from Amazon and Bath & Body Works. The Amazon package was just some cereal and some stuff for the grill, nothing too exciting. Another way I like to get my home feeling a little bit more festive without buying a ton of decorations is making my home smell festive and Christmassy. I'll do a slow overview of all the candles I picked up. I did go in blind with a couple of these, but they all ended up smelling really good. And I also picked up these little hanging fragrance things to put in the closet and in the car when our car arrives. So we're switching gears. I need to go ahead and pack. I know it's a little dark because it's super cloudy outside. I think it's about to rain. Me and Brandon are going to a formal event and we are staying at the Ritz downtown and I'm super excited. Actually, the kids are coming with us too. You guys saw me just finish decorating my little bit of Christmas things and I need to pack now because I just realized we have a comedy show to go to tonight, and then tomorrow morning I get a blowout, and then also my son has a soccer match, so I don't have a lot of time to pack tomorrow, so I need to do it now. It's a black tie event. I'm bringing 2 dresses. I can't decide which one, so I'm just gonna bring both, and then I just have like 2 outfits. I'll show you guys what I got. So here is what I have to choose from. So the first dress is by Gianni Beanie. It's super pretty. It has these cutouts and it's just super flowy. This one is more of like sheer long sleeve velvet, but I'm leaning more towards this one because it's so hot here, but I'm gonna bring both for backups. If you can see up close, it's super pretty. I really love this one too. I'm gonna be packing just some classic black pumps. You can't go wrong with these. So I will be bringing these, and these will be my only pair of heels. I went to the mall yesterday. I was trying to find some foundation at NARS, but they didn't have my color. So on my way out, I stopped into H&M and I found this dress. I'm probably gonna wear this one to breakfast at the hotel on Sunday. Something easy to put on. Another thing that I picked up from H&M is this light sweater top. It's short sleeves and it has these really pretty gold buttons. It's actually kind of cropped, which I like. And I wear it with this long skirt, a Thai brand. I tried this outfit on together, just some sandals, so I'm gonna pack this too. Pack my skincare and makeup. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need both. I'm gonna see if I can fit everything into the larger one because we're only staying overnight, so we'll see. Here they are up close. Probably a little dirty because I've been living out of these for the past couple of months. I just now put away my skincare and makeup, so I was able to put this back in my closet. I unboxed these, I think, in one of my moving videos before we moved here. Always wanted, I love these, definitely worth every penny. Here we are arriving at the Ritz. I didn't get the very beginning of us walking in. So after checking in at the very bottom level, we took a quick elevator ride up even higher to the next lobby check-in area. And it's so pretty up here. This is definitely one of my favorite hotels. As you can see, Bangkok, we're right in the middle of the city. This hotel is actually pretty new. It's only been around for about a year. And here we are in the elevator going up to the 18th floor to see our rooms. The kids' room is the same as ours, so I just filmed a little of both. That case you saw me open was actually a Dyson blow dryer, and then all the body products, hand products were all Diptyque. And then as we walked into the room, the blinds and shades just automatically opened to the most beautiful view. Since our rooms are exactly the same, I'm gonna head over to our room and finish showing you guys some of my favorite things. So as you walk in, obviously you see the bathroom. It's the same as the kids. Everything is just switched. And you just go down past the closet and you have another huge window, but here is the bar area. Brandon loved this bar. He actually just liked the cabinet itself. He's definitely on the hunt for something similar for our future home, but all the drawers here had everything you could need as far as coffee, pods, snacks, plates, tea kettles, teacups, ice bucket, and then this drawer was a refrigerator drawer with juices, wine, water. And you guys, I never thought I would love a robe more than I loved this one. I would walk in the room and put this on immediately. This was my favorite thing about staying here. That robe is like wearing a comforter. It was just so luxurious. I regret not buying it. So after our formal event, the next morning we went to breakfast at Lily's, which is also in the Ritz. We had a time, okay? This breakfast was so good. We started off at the buffet area where the buffet, they only have your cold cuts, your charcuterie things. Then they have like pastries and things like that. I will show you guys what that looks like. All these little containers hold traditional Thai gummies, like mango gummies, and then these over here are Thai teas. Then you keep walking and then you're going to come across another buffet area, and this is where you get all of your fruit juices because they came in these glass jars, and you just grab one and take it to your table. And then you have all of your charcuterie things. You have different nuts and berries and cold cuts, smoked salmon, and anything you need to pretty much make a charcuterie. When it comes to the actual food, they actually just give you a menu and you can order however many things off that menu you want, as many times as you want. It's pretty much just like a buffet menu. Just order whatever you want from the menu and they cook it and bring it to you. After we ate breakfast, we went to the mall next door, which is also new. We love that mall. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.